Welcome back. This is phase two. And so here we are. I've used that brush and using the referenced image and the symmetry tool, I've built out this skull that's embellished with all these shapes. So now I'm going to turn that reference image off to kind of get a better look at what I've got here. And then I'm going to go up here and I'm going to image, adjust, and I'm going to go to invert. So what that's done is that's taken the information in that layer, which was originally white, and it's applied the opposite color to it. Now we don't see it now because it's blending into the background, but if I hide that layer, you'll see it's there. But what I'm going to do now is on the base layer, I'm going to go and add an adjustment layer, a solid color, and it's going to be black. So now now that I've inverted that line art, I have something that's a little more interesting looking. Uh, and now we can start to look at a couple different ways we can add color to this. Now, the first thing we can do is we can, in this layer of your line art, you can actually take your magic wand tool, and we have a lot of shapes here that are what I refer to as closed loops. So if you click on that, you can see that it's identified this shape. If you hold down Shift, you can find the one on the other side. You can click these areas. And then you can, while they're activated, you can go down here and add an adjustment layer to solid color. And you could go over here and you could apply a color here, and there you go. So this is non-destructive at this point. You're just identifying areas in this line art layer and applying color. So let's try that again. Let's use the magic wand tool to click this area. And unfortunately, the symmetry tool does not work with this tool. It only works with the brush tool currently. That would be great if it did. So now I'm going to take these two areas and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to add an adjustment layer of applying color. Maybe I'll try something, I don't know, light purple. And okay, so you can continue to use that method to color areas of this artwork. Now take note, it's not destructive because you can turn this off at any time. But now what happens if we add another layer here and we go back to our brush, but now it's the same setting now, still 22 points solid, but now if we change the color of it and we find something interesting like this, we can go back and now we can continue to use, and it's going to behave in the same manner. It's going to be applying symmetry. So we only have to do one side of this. So the concept here is there are certain types of illustration that could really benefit from using a symmetry tool. And using a skull and taking inspiration from Tina Rodriguez, it's a good way to connect with the tool. So create your own skull design, take inspiration from the artist that's shown in the assignment, or do your own thing, and it doesn't necessarily have to be nature, but have fun with these tools and make sure that you apply these techniques of isolating areas and applying colors using the adjustment layer of solid color, and then also adding additional layers to add further embellishment and further line colors.